Hi everyone, welcome back to your coffee break with ChinesePod. I'm Alice.
Hi everyone, I'm Josh. 欢迎回到中文播客。
In today's lesson, we are really going to see the beauty of the Chinese language. When it comes to congratulating someone, we like to follow that up with some wishes in the form of 成语, which are idioms.
成语虽然字很少，但是每一个字都有意思。4个字连在一起后，意思就更多了。所以今天我们要来聊一下怎么用成语来祝福别人。我们开始吧。
When it comes to congratulating someone, it is usually for a happy, special, or blessed event. In Chinese, we like to use poetic ways of expressing this.
没错，中国人喜欢用漂亮的词来祝福别人，所以要祝福别人，我们可以说祝你，或是希望你。
So we can start off our wishes by saying 祝你 or 希望你。For example, if your friend recently opened up a restaurant.
朋友开了一间新的餐厅，所以我们可以说祝你生意兴隆。生意
means business.
兴隆
means to thrive. So to thrive in your business or to wish someone success in their business.
没错，或是我们可以说祝你财源滚滚。财
means money.
源
means source.
滚滚
means rolling. So to wish that money comes rolling in from all sources.
没错，所以如果朋友开了一间新店，我们可以说恭喜恭喜，祝你生意兴隆，财源滚滚。
How about if someone has recently enrolled in a new position?
这时候你可以说祝你青云直上。青云
means cloud.
因为青云在高空，所以指的是在公司里面高的位置。
So in this instance, the cloud symbolizes the sky. And in this context, it would mean a higher position in a company.
没错，直上
ascend. Okay, so to wish someone 青云直上 is to wish them a smooth journey upwards.
没错，我们也可以说祝你步步高升。步
means step.
高升的意
is
思是
to elevate.
没错，所以步步高升
Okay, so to wish someone 步步高升 is to wish them a steady climb to a high position.
没错，所以如果朋友进到了一间新的公司，或是同事升上了主管，你可以说恭喜恭喜，祝你青云直上，步步高升。
In Chinese culture, we place a lot of importance on festive wishes, especially when it comes to celebrations such as Chinese New Year.
春节
or Mid-Autumn Festival.
中秋节所以这时候你可以说祝你万事如意。万
One means 10,000, but in this context, it means a lot.
万事
万事 would mean everything.
如是像，意是你所想的，所以如意的意思是像你所想的一样。
So everything according to your wishes, simply wishing someone that all their wishes will come true.
没错，你也可以说大吉大利。大
Big, but in this context means a lot.
吉利
Which means luck. So you're wishing someone a lot of luck or all the best of luck.
没错，所以在春节的时候，你可以对大家说恭喜恭喜，祝你万事如意，大吉大利。
When it comes to someone's birthday, especially that of an elder, there are more sophisticated ways to wish them happy birthday besides the usual 生日快乐。
没错，这时候你可以说祝你福如东海。福
would mean luck or happiness.
如就是像的意思。东海
Donghai is East China Sea. So when you wish someone 福如东海, it is to wish them luck or happiness as vast as the East China Sea.
没错，还有一个是寿比南山。 寿
means age,
比呢
means like or equivalent to.
南山
Nanshan is a famous mountain in China. So when you wish someone 寿比南山, it is to wish them many more years to come, like Nanshan, the mountain.
没错，所以在长辈生日的时候，你可以说祝你福如东海，寿比南山。
So this is usually said to the elder, as we've mentioned,
没错
but to the usual 20-year-old,
你
25-year-old.
就说生日快乐就好了。
In today's lesson, we learned that in Chinese culture, when it comes to congratulating people, we often use idioms.
没错，那我们现在来练习一下，我考考你。
Okay?
如果我开了一间新的店，你要对我说什么？
I can say, 恭喜恭喜，祝你财源滚滚。
如果我升上主管呢？
I can say, 恭喜恭喜，希望你步步高升。
那过新年呢？
I can say, 新年快乐，祝你万事如意。
那你生日的时候，我就要说祝你寿比南山。
What are you trying to imply? It is only 生日快乐。
好的，希望大家喜欢这次的视频，
I hope you've enjoyed your coffee break with us.
祝大家万事如意。我是 Josh，
I'm Alice.
我们下次见。
Bye-bye.
Introducing ChinesePod Recap, the app with fast summary lessons. How much time do you have? Join us in the beta program. For more info, go to ChinesePod.com/recap.